Is this thing on? Okay, how do I start this? Well, this is my first vlog, but I don't think on this channel I'm gonna be doing too many vlogs. I just kind of wanted to quickly introduce you and maybe do a quick little vlog. Yeah, so. I'm all dressed and I'm ready to do my hair. Let's go. Okay, so when I'm doing this, I normally don't do my hair on like the weekdays because I think it's just a hassle to do, but a lot of the times on the weekend I'll do my hair because I have time to do my hair. And I'm going on a hike today, so I want to keep my hair cool, because if I don't keep my hair cool, I'm just going to get super hot. Even though it's really cold outside, I'm still going to get like really gross and hot and sweaty because that's just how I get on hikes. So let's do what I do. So usually I get a little water in my hand and then I just kind of dampen my hair with it. And then I get this forming cream, get a little, rub it between my hands, and then pull up my hair. And it always looks ridiculous. But then I usually just, do my hair. And try and see, I usually look in the mirror, so this is a little bit harder, sorry about that. Lighting. Usually try and see, I think that's the best I'm gonna get. Wow, that was quick. Usually takes me like 10 minutes every time I do this. This is usually the time when I get on my computer and, do stuff like that. But it's so late, it's like 1:45. So I'm just gonna kind of sit back and watch some TV. Okay, so we're starting to go on the hike. We're gonna leave in a minute. And then everything will be great and I'll film some nature for you with cool music in the background.